Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be talking about the most important topic in Python, which is the inheritance in object-oriented programming. So first things first, let's know what is inheritance, why do we use inheritance, and the word inheritance is very familiar word to all of you that in real life, in daily life you also encounter with this word a lot. So basically a real-life example of inheritance can be that when a parent passes down their genetic traits to their child, for example, like eye color or hair type. Suppose your mother might be having a green, the color of her eyes can be green, so it might be having green eyes. If not, then you can have black eyes. So that's how you inherit somebody's traits. It means your parents' traits. So it is like receiving a genetic inheritance from your parents. Suppose somebody says that if my father has money, it means I have money, just because I inherit whatever my family has or my father has or my parent has. So basically in coding, in programming, we go for the same concept. When we have parent class, super class we call it, and when we have what we call it as child class or subclass. So inheritance in Python is a mechanism which simply allows a new class, which is the child class or the subclass, to inherit attributes and methods from an existing class, which is the superclass or parent class. So now we'll be moving towards the practical example of inheritance, that how we can just simply implement inheritance in Python. So for that we need a class. We'll go for the class name animal. Suppose this is our class animal. And in this class we are going to define some methods. So suppose we go for the method speak here. Self comes automatically, and then we are going to print a statement here. Animal speaks, as simple as this. Animal speaks. And then what we need to do next is we are going to just create a child class. How are we supposed to create the child class? We'll simply go for another name, suppose cat, and the most important thing how you inherit from the parent class is that you only have to write the name of the parent class here. This is very simple, but in Java it used to be very difficult. Not difficult, but a little bit confusing, but in here it is very easy. And then we are going to define, suppose let's just name this one cat, dog. Let's just make it very simple. And then we have the method called bark, and then here we've got the self here, and we are going to just simply print a statement here that dog barks. Now as you can see, in animal class we have the method called speak, which says animal speaks, and in another class, which is the subclass of the parent class, subclass of this animal class, which says the dog barks, and the name of the method is bark. Now we are going to make instance of the child class. How are we supposed to just do it? We are gonna give a name here, and then the class dog here. This is very simple, and now we are going to access methods from both parent and child classes. So we are going to just access it by the object we have created, and this is the method for us to speak, and my underscore dog dot bark. And let's just check the output and see what the output shows for us. It says that animal barks and dog barks. As you can see, it has inherited the attributes or the traits from the animal class, which is its parent class. But if I just remove this animal here, and let's just see what the output shows for us. Would it be showing the same animal speaks and dog barks, or it would show something else? See, it gives error here. So for that we have to go for this one. Now let's just check this one. Yes, animal speaks and dog barks. So yes, this was very simple and very easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was all about inheritance, how you apply or implement inheritance in Python. So in the next video we'll be doing more examples regarding this topic, and until then I'll be seeing you guys in my next videos, and happy coding you all.